Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Talk English Every Day. My name is David. I am very happy you are here today. Thank you for listening. Today, we will learn English in a fun and easy way. We will talk about the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Many people love football. Many people watch the World Cup. It is a big event. It is exciting. It is full of great teams, great players, and great moments. Today, I will help you talk about the World Cup in English. Please relax. Listen slowly. Repeat after me when you can. Do not worry about mistakes. Every small step is good. Every new word is good. Let's begin our story together. Imagine it is a beautiful morning. You wake up early, you make a cup of tea or coffee, you open your phone. You see news about the 2026 FIFA World Cup. You smile because you love football. You want to talk about it in English. Maybe you have friends from other countries. Maybe you watch football videos online. Maybe you meet football fans when you travel. Today, you will learn simple English for these moments. First, learn a few easy words. Listen carefully. Football, 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 team, 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 match, 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 player, 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 goal, 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 win, 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 lose, 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 fan, fan, fan. These words are very useful. You will hear them many times during the World Cup. Now, let's practice. Please repeat after me. Football, team, match, player, goal, win, lose, fan. Very good. Say them again. Football, team, match, player, goal, win, lose, fan. Excellent. Repeating words helps your memory. Repeating words helps your speaking. Now imagine you meet a new friend. Your friend smiles and says, "Do you like football?" This is a very easy question. You can answer, "Yes, I do." Or you can say, "Yes, I love football." Both answers are simple. Both answers are good. Your friend asks another question. "Will you watch the World Cup?" You smile again. You answer, "Yes, I will." That is easy. Say it with me. Yes, I will. Again. Yes, I will. One more time. Yes, I will. Now, your friend asks, "Which team do you like?" Maybe you like Brazil. Maybe you like England. Maybe you like Argentina. Maybe you like France. Maybe you like Spain. Maybe you like Japan. Maybe you like your own country. You can answer with a short sentence. I like Brazil. I like England. I like Argentina. Keep your answer short. Short sentences are easy. Short sentences are clear. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I like this team. I like this player. I like this match. Very nice. Now try again. I like this team. I like this player. I like this match. Good job. During the World Cup, people often ask, "Who is your favorite player?" This is another useful question. You can answer, "My favorite player is," then say the name. Keep it simple. For example, "My favorite player is very fast," or "My favorite player is very good." You do not need long sentences. Simple English is enough. Now, listen to this short conversation. Your friend says the match starts soon. You answer, yes. I am excited. Your friend says, I think my team will win. You answer, maybe. We will see. These are easy sentences. They sound natural. They are useful every day during the World Cup. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. The match starts soon. I am excited. My team will win. We will see. Excellent. Say them again slowly. The match starts soon. I am excited. My team will win. We will see. As the day goes on, you watch the match with your family or your friends. Everyone is happy. Everyone is talking. Someone says, great goal. Another person says, what a good player. You smile because you understand the English. You feel more confident. You answer, yes, it was a great goal. Or you say, that player is amazing. Little by little, English becomes easier. Little by little, you speak more. Little by little, you enjoy every match even more. Because now, football and English come together in a fun and simple way. Now the match is becoming more exciting. Both teams are playing well. The fans are singing. The stadium is loud. You can hear people cheering. You can feel the excitement. You watch every minute. You do not want to miss anything. A player gets the ball. He runs very fast. He passes the ball to another player. The other player shoots. Goal! Everyone stands up. Everyone smiles. Everyone cheers. You clap your hands. You say, what a great goal. Say it with me. What a great goal. Again. What a great goal. One more time. What a great goal. Now, let's learn more useful words. Ball, 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 pass, 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 shoot, 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 save, 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 score, 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 stadium, 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 cheer, cheer, cheer. These words are easy. These words are useful. You will hear them many times during football matches. Please repeat after me. Ball, pass, shoot, save, score, stadium, cheer. Very good. Again, ball, pass, shoot, save, score, stadium, cheer. Excellent. The game continues. One team scores first. The other team does not stop. They keep playing. They keep trying. This is a good phrase. Keep trying. Say it with me. Keep trying. Again, keep trying. Football is not only about winning. Football is also about trying. It is about working together. It is about believing in your team. Your friend looks at you and asks, who do you think will win? This is a common question. You can answer, I think Brazil will win, or I think England will win. Maybe you are not sure. Then you can say, I don't know. That is a perfect answer too. Sometimes nobody knows the result. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I think my team will win. I don't know. It is a good match. Both teams are strong. Great work. Say the sentences again. I think my team will win. I don't know. It is a good match. Both teams are strong. Now, imagine your team scores another goal. You feel happy. You smile. You laugh. You say, "We are winning." Repeat after me. We are winning. Again, we are winning. If the other team scores, you can say, "Now it is 2-1, or maybe the game is tied." These are simple and useful expressions. Sometimes the referee blows the whistle. The first half is over. People stand up. Some people buy food. Some people buy drinks. Some people talk with friends. You also talk with your friend in English. Your friend asks, "How is the match?" You answer, "It is very exciting." Your friend asks, "Who is playing better?" You answer, "I think both teams are playing well." These are easy answers. You can use them in many conversations. Now it is your turn. Listen to the question, then answer by yourself. Do you like this match? Pause for a moment. Now answer. Maybe you say, "Yes, I do." Very good. Next question. Who is your favorite player? Pause again. Say your answer out loud. Good job. Next question. Who do you think will win? Pause. Excellent. Every time you answer, your English becomes stronger. Every time you speak, your confidence grows. The second half begins. The players run again. They pass the ball again. They fight for every chance. The fans continue to sing. The stadium is full of energy. You listen to English commentators. At first, you understand only a few words. Then you understand more words. Soon, you understand many simple sentences. This feels wonderful. You notice that many words are repeated. Goal, team, player, ball, match, win, score, pass, shoot. These words come again and again. That is good. Repetition helps learning. Repetition helps memory. Repetition helps speaking. You smile because you can follow the match in English. You can understand simple comments. You can make simple comments too. You say, "Nice pass," "Good save," "Great player," "Amazing team." These short sentences are easy, but they help you join the conversation. They help you feel like part of the football world. And every new match gives you another chance to practice your English in a fun, natural, and relaxed way. The match is almost over. There are only a few minutes left. Every fan is watching carefully. Every player is giving everything. Nobody wants to lose. Everybody wants to win. The game is close. The score is still very tight. You can feel the excitement in the stadium. You can feel the excitement in your home too. A player gets the ball one more time. He runs down the field. He looks left. He looks right. He passes the ball. Another player controls it. He shoots. Goal! The fans jump. The players celebrate. The coach smiles. It is a wonderful moment. You smile too. You say, "That was amazing." Repeat after me, "That was amazing." Again, "That was amazing." One more time. "That was amazing." The referee looks at the clock. Then the referee blows the whistle. The match is over. One team wins, the other team loses. The winning team celebrates together. The other team feels sad. but they shake hands. They show respect. This is an important lesson. In football, winning is wonderful. Losing is difficult, but respect is always important. Now, your friend asks, "Did you enjoy the match?" You answer, "Yes, I did. It was a great match." Repeat after me. "Yes, I did. It was a great match." Very good. Your friend asks, "What was your favorite moment?" You answer, "My favorite moment was the last goal." This answer is simple and natural. Let's practice together one more time. Repeat after me. I love football. The World Cup is exciting. My favorite team played well. The players were amazing. It was a great match. I enjoyed the game. Excellent. Now say the sentences again by yourself. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not worry if your English is not perfect. Practice is more important than perfection. Every day you practice, you become better. The 2026 FIFA World Cup is a great chance to learn English. You can watch matches. You can read football news. You can listen to English commentators. You can watch interviews with players. You can talk with friends. You can leave comments online. Every small activity helps you learn. Every new word makes you stronger. Every simple sentence gives you more confidence. Remember these useful words: football, team, match, player, goal, ball, pass, shoot, save, score, stadium, fan, cheer, win, lose, exciting, amazing. Practice these words every day. Say them again and again. The more you repeat them, the easier they become. Remember these useful questions too. Do you like football? Which team do you like? Who is your favorite player? Will you watch the World Cup? Who do you think will win? These questions are easy. You can use them with friends, classmates, co-workers, or people from many different countries. Football brings people together. English also brings people together. When you use both, you can make new friends and enjoy great conversations. Before we finish, let's do one final review together. Repeat after me. Football, team, match, player, goal, win, lose, fan, ball, pass, shoot, score. Great job. Now repeat these sentences. I love football. I will watch the World Cup. My favorite team is very good. It was a great match. I enjoyed the game. Wonderful. You did very well today. I hope you feel more confident talking about the 2026 FIFA World Cup in English. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking. Small steps every day will help you improve. Thank you for spending this time with me. Thank you for learning with Talk English every day. My name is David, and I hope to see you again in our next episode. Until next time, take care, keep smiling, keep practicing your English every single day, and enjoy every beautiful moment of football. Goodbye, my friend.